So put your hands together right now. Go ahead and I'll wait. See, if your hands feel like ice cubes, if your fingers are numb, if you can't feel your pulse in your wrists, then what I'm about to share could actually save your life. I'm Maurice and I spent the last decade researching why so many people's circulation is failing after 40. And what I discovered will actually shock you. See, because those cold hands, they're not just aging, they're a warning sign that your circulation is actually failing. And the medical establishment is making billions keeping you in the dark about the real solution. So let me guess what your doctor told you when you complained about your cold hands, numb feet, brain fog, and that crushing afternoon fatigue. It's just part of getting older. Learn to live with it. Now look, I'm not saying all doctors are wrong. Many generally care and are doing their best with the information they have. But the system they work in, that's a different story. 655,000 Americans die from cardiovascular disease every single year. 30 million men can't perform in a bedroom. 6.5 million people have legs so numb they can barely walk. And here's the part that's going to make you furious. 95% of circulation problems after age 40 are caused by one deficiency that can be completely reversed in 30 days. But instead of telling you the truth, they're selling you fake solutions that actually make your circulation worse. See, there's a $50 billion industry built on your circulation failure, and they've spent decades convincing you that declining blood flow is normal so they can sell you their expensive band-aids. Think about it. If your circulation was perfect, who loses money? The $30,000 erectile dysfunction treatment's gone. The $50,000 peripheral artery procedures gone. The $100,000 heart surgeries gone. Your circulation failure is their financial success, and they'll do anything to keep you from discovering what I'm about to show you. Because the molecule that controls your blood flow, the molecule that can restore circulation to someone 20 years younger, the molecule that can end cold hands, brain fog, and bedroom problems forever is called nitric oxide. And after age 40, your production crashes by 50%. Now, if you've been struggling with circulation, I bet some doctors or supplement companies has sold you L-Arginine, right? Just take L-Arginine, it boosts nitric oxide naturally. Now, here's what they didn't tell you. After age 40, there is an enzyme in your body called arginase that explodes by 500%. And guess what arginase does? It actually devours L-Arginine before it can make any nitric oxide. So not only does L-Arginine not help your circulation, it actually makes it worse. See, a Johns Hopkins study published in JAMA had to be stopped because heart attack patients taking L-Arginine were dying. 6 deaths in the L-Arginine group, 0 in the placebo group. The researchers were so alarmed they ended the trial early. So think about that. The supplement industry's heart healthy amino acid was literally killing heart patients. Now, I'm not saying all supplements are bad. There are companies out there. But when it comes to amino acid for circulation after 40, the science is clear. They don't work. And L-citrulline, that's just L-Arginine with extra steps. Same broken pathway, same enzyme destruction, same circulation failure. So if amino acids don't work, if your doctor's advice doesn't work, if expensive procedures don't actually fix the problem, what does work? And the answer has been hiding in plain sight for thousands of years. It's called the nitrate pathway. See, there's a complete different way to make nitric oxide that has nothing to do with those failing enzymes. It goes like this. You consume nitrates from certain plants, your mouth bacteria converts them to nitrites, and then your body turns those nitrites into nitric oxide exactly where you need it most. No enzymes required, no age-related decline, just pure, powerful circulation restoration. But here's what it gets really interesting. The supplement industry sells you 50 milligrams of nitrates and calls it therapeutic. That's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. The real therapeutic threshold, the dose that actually restores circulation, is 500 milligrams of bioactive nitrates. And multiple university studies have shown a clear dose response curve for nitrates. Under 250 milligrams, minimal effects, but at 400 to 500 milligrams, that's where the magic happens. One landmark study showed that 500 ml of beetroot juice containing about 400 milligrams of nitrates dropped blood pressure by 10 points and significantly increased nitric oxide for 24 hours. But here's the problem. Most supplements give you 50 to 100 milligrams and call it therapeutic. That's like taking a quarter of an aspirin for migraine. So what happens when you actually give your body therapeutic doses of nitrates? Let me tell you about my friend Jim. Within 1 week of the 500 milligrams protocol twice daily, feeling return to his feet. Within 1 month, he was walking a mile without pain. 6 months later, amputation canceled. Perfect circulation restored. Or my neighbor Marcus, 52 years old, complete erectile dysfunction for 5 years. Viagra stopped working. Day 3 of proper nitrates. First morning erection in 2 years. Week 2, full function restored. 2 years later, he threw his Viagra in the trash. This isn't some miracle cure. This is basic human physiology that your body wants to do. If you give it the right raw materials, the protocol is simple. Step 1, 500 milligrams of bioactive nitrates from arugula or beetroot extract in the morning. Step 2, optimize your conversion pathway with proper oral bacteria. Step 3, avoid the circulation killers that destroy nitric oxide. Within 24 hours, your blood pressure drops 10 to 20 points naturally. Within 1 week, your hands and feet are warm again. Within 30 days, you have the circulation of someone 20 years younger. Now, I've spent the last 10 years testing every nitrate supplement on the market. 95% of them are freaking garbage. Wrong plants, wrong doses, wrong extraction methods. The formula I personally use and recommend is based on concentrated arugula extract or beetroot. It delivers exactly 500 milligrams of bioactive nitrates per serving. I personally take it twice a day for a reason and been on it coming up roughly about 11 years. But here's something incredible. You don't have to rely on supplement if you don't want to. You can grow your own nitrate powerhouse at home. Arugula is one of the highest nitrate vegetables on the planet, containing 200 to 480 milligrams of nitrates per 100 grams when fully mature. While younger plants like microgreens are typically more nutrient dense, specific nitrate research is very limited. So we'll work with what science has proven. So to hit that 500 milligrams therapeutic threshold naturally with mature arugula, you need about 100 to 250 grams daily. That's roughly a large salad or about 3.5 to 8.5 ounces. And growing them is quite easy. See, arugula seeds sprouts in about 2 to 3 days. Microgreens are ready in about 7 to 10 days. Full plants in roughly 3 to 4 weeks. And I have been testing microgreens with my strips and the levels are staying consistent all day long. You can actually grow sprouts in a mason jar on your kitchen counter. Microgreens, I just bought these from someone locally. I'm gonna be testing them out as well. And this is for Ashley to grow microgreens in a simple tray with soil. No special equipment, no green thumb required. The best part, you control everything. No pesticides, no processing, no wondering about quality. Now, once I test these out, guys, I'll definitely keep everyone updated as well. But let's be honest here. Not everyone wants to eat large salads of peppery greens every single day to get therapeutic nitrate levels. That's why I still recommend the concentrated extract as an option. It's convenient, standardized, and delivers exactly 500 milligrams without having to chew through a mountain of arugula. But that goes back to you if you have the room for it, of course. So no L-Arginine, no L-citrulline, no amino acid nonsense that makes you worse. Just pure concentrated nitrates that actually work. And I'm not going to sit here and do a 20-minute sales pitch. The link to what I use is on my website. You can find it, you can research it, you can make your own decision. But understand this, every day you wait is another day of circulation decline. Every night you go to bed with cold hands is another night stolen from your potential. I remember when I visited the doctor more than 15 years ago about my cold hands and feet, he said, that's a good sign for longevity. You are young and healthy. Now figure that out. Your circulation is calling. Your vitality is waiting. Your perfect blood flow is possible. The question isn't whether you can restore your circulation, it's how quickly you're willing to start. Path 1, keep accepting aging as an excuse. Keep taking amino acids that make you worse. Keep living with cold hands, brain fog, and declining function. Or path 2, take control of your nitric oxide production. Use therapeutic doses that actually work. Restore circulation to levels you thought were gone forever. The choice is yours, but choose quickly because every moment of circulation failure is a moment you can't get back. Remember, this information I've researched extensively and been using for many years. But as always, what works for one person may need adjustment for another. So if this information helped you, share it with someone who needs perfect blood flow. Tag someone who's suffering from circulation problems. Let's start a circulation revolution. I'm Maurice, your clinician, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about why your heart medication might be making your circulation worse.